Hi guys, this is Isaac from Mix Advice, and in this series I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know to get your kick drums sounding as good as they possibly can do with your home recordings. If you want them to sound like this, or like this, then keep on watching and let's dive straight in. Alright, hi guys, this is Isaac from Mix Advice. I'm going to be running a series of tutorials on kick drum processing. We're going to be looking at close mic EQ, compression, sample replacement, those kind of things. But firstly, I just wanted to do a tutorial on the importance of having a good mix in the first place so that your kick can actually cut through the mix. If your mix is too muddy or narrow, then your kick's going to struggle. And in this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate that. So let's just take a listen to the mix as it is at the moment. Okay, you could probably hear it's quite narrow, it's a little bit muddy. Usually I'd go onto the individual channels, the bass, the guitars, maybe clean them up a little bit first. Okay, so let's take a listen to it and try identify some frequencies in which we can clean up in the bass and the guitars. They've been bussed together down this channel here. So we've just got bass and guitars all together. Usually they'd be separate, but for the purposes of this example, I thought it'd be easier to just do it down a single channel. Okay, so let's take a listen to the mix and try identify some of those muddy frequencies. So I'm boosting, sweeping around, just try to find those lower mids. They're a bit annoying, but lower, I think. Let's get that heavy bit in again. Definitely around there. So let's get rid of some of that. Now you can hear the kick drum really coming to the fore there. Yeah? So let's just take a listen to that again. I'll drop the EQ in and out and just listen to how the kick drum comes right to the forefront when we get rid of those muddy frequencies. In. There you go, the kick is right up front now. Back out again. In. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Your kick drum will struggle if the rest of your mix isn't well balanced, if there's things competing with it too much. So yeah, thank you very much. This has been Isaac from Mix Advice. I hope you found that useful, and hopefully I'll see you in the next tutorial.